Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to wrap text here in Smartsheet. All right, as you can see here, I have a template opened, which is my Smartsheet itself. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these text from the descriptions. Okay, so the reason why we wanted to wrap a text is because we don't want to drag this line just for you to see all the text in each cell. Okay, so what we're going to do is again wrap the text. Okay, you can go ahead and wrap the text by cell. Okay, for example, this cell right here, I'm going to click on it, and then when you go ahead over to the top right, you have this wrap section, okay, or option. Just click on it, and as you can see here, you're going to make it 2 lines by just dragging the column line like so. And if you make it shorter, the text will be longer in here. Now you can do the same to all of the text in here in this specific column. Now, how do we do that? Now just click on the column itself, okay? And again, click on the wrap option, and there you have it, okay? As easy as that. And that's how you wrap a text here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.